everyone. Today I'm going to share an interesting technique that I learned at a workshop. That workshop was conducted by Navni Kasat, and she does eco printing. It's a very interesting technique, and I thought I'd love to use that on one of my garments. I'll tell you a little about that technique. It's basically you use natural materials, things like leaves and flowers and onion peel, and you use these things to give an impression and give a print on your fabric. So I have this skirt here with me. It's a white skirt, and it's a calf length skirt, and every time I wear it, it looks like a petticoat. I thought I should try some printing and should try some techniques on this. So I decided that why not use onion peels to add some print on this so that it just manages to look interesting. I'll show you a glimpse of the techniques that she follows, that Navni follows, and these are videos given by Navni, so I would love to share that with you. After that, we are going to work on this particular garment. Let's get started.